What if 8 billion people sneezed at the same time? Imagine a quiet afternoon, the birds are chirping, the wind is still, and suddenly 8 billion people sneeze. Each human sneeze can expel droplets at speeds over 100 kilometers per hour. That's basically a mucus-powered mini-explosion. Let's do some rough math. If one sneeze produces about 1 joule of energy, 8 billion sneezes, you're 8 billion joules. That's like setting off 2 tons of TNT. That much energy won't crack the planet, but it might break a few windows, especially if timed to echo through a canyon. Aside from sound and force, let's talk about particles. A simultaneous sneeze releases trillions of micro droplets in sync in the air. So would the earth shake? Not quite. Would it sound like the weirdest thunder ever? Definitely. And the cleanup? Well, bring a towel. Would the earth shake? No. Would it be hilarious? Yes. Comment your own what if. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you next time. Bye.